How to bold text on LinkedIn. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Without further ado, let's begin. Launch a web browser, for example, Google Chrome. Click on the search bar at top, type in linkedin.com and press enter on your keyboard and make sure to sign in or sign up into your LinkedIn. So as you can see that we are on the home page of LinkedIn. So let's start a post. Try it with AI or simply you can type in any post. So for example, let me type in hi, that is my new post. And now you simply need to select the particular text that you want to bold. For example, post. Once you have selected, you need to simply press Ctrl and B on your keyboard. And now, and after that, you must see the bold text on LinkedIn if you have got the updated or the latest version of LinkedIn application, as the latest version of LinkedIn has introduced the shortcut of Ctrl and B in order to bold text on LinkedIn. But maybe this is the outdated version. There is no such shortcut in my one, but if you have, then you can easily apply Ctrl plus B to have bold letters or words on LinkedIn. So that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.